Hello, Professor. So, my name is Aditi Kapoor, and today I'm going to explain my code for the assignment 4, which is the BMI calculator. So, let's move on to my Visual Studio. So here's what I have done in this BMI calculator. So basically this is the way from where I have designed my form. So this is the BMI calculator. Like it shows two options, metric and imperial. So basically what is metric and imperial? In metric, the height is calculated in centimeters and the weight is in kilograms. Whereas in imperial, the weight, like the height is in inches and the weight is in pounds. So let's go for the metric first. Like if I so it will only work, like one thing I want to tell you, that like it will only work if we choose one of these two options, otherwise it won't work. So first I choose the metric option. So let's in metric, height is in centimeters, so let's say it's 167 centimeter or something like that. So my weight, if I say like 60, so like if I calculate the BMI, so it's 21.5, like it says normal. And then if I change it, so like if I say 100 centimeter or my weight and it goes like 30 or something, so calculate BMI, you are obese, so it says you are obese. And furthermore, if I move on here, if I write 180 and here I write like 60, so here you are normal. So it says, like it goes on, like if I here write 45 or something, calculate BMI, so you are underweight. So here it goes on, like whatever it will calculate the BMI and it will show you the result, you are underweight, obese or normal. So let's go move on to imperial then, in which we'll select the height, which will be in imperial height will be in inches and the weight will be in pounds. So let's move on. Like if I say that the height is 60 and my weight is 70, so if I calculate the BMI, it shows that you are underweight. And then like next, if I move on and say that my height is 30 and my weight is 60, so it will calculate my BMI, like it will show that I'm obese or whatever the person will say, it will give us a message that the person is obese. And let's move on, like let's one more time. Then if I say this, my height is 45 and my weight is 60, so if I calculate BMI, then it shows that you are normal. So let's move on. Then now I move on to my whatever the main, my like this is. So this is my code for the my code, like for the my form. So like here I'm gonna explain. So here are some, like I have mentioned, this is my information, what are this basic information in BMI calculator. And here I have declared the private variables. I have used the pub user height. These are the basically what are these are the properties. And the get set, as you know, get is like when you are declaring, and set is for initializing the value, as I have like mentioned here. So here user weight, like all you can see. Then this is the result. Then in like public BMI calculator form, I have initialized component. In void, like this is for calculate BMI button, then click for the BMI button to click, this is the option. Then here I have like calculated BMI, like this is, I have two things I have taken in initialized two things, user height and user weight. Like as I have seen, like enter height and weight, so these are those things, convert to double. So here I would just want to mention one thing. To convert to double means like it can it the decimal values are also allowed. Like if we enter something like 60.5, so they are all allowed, it will not give any error. So like if metric button, so this is for the metric button. So whenever we will choose metric, the result will be on the basis of this formula, right? So then, and if imperial we choose, then the result will be on the basis of this formula. So in this is the text box control. So if the result is less than 18.5, then it will show that you are underweight. Else if in between 18.5 and 25, then it will show that you are normal. And above 25, 29.9, between 29.9 and 25, that will show that you are overweight. Then it will show, otherwise it will show that you are obese. So here BMI calculator form. So here application like exits, so whatever just, so whatever the code is, like basically this is whatever we see, what the result we see. Like these are the results, like it between this and this, then if you show normal, between less than this, then you are underweight. So this ways it will show. So here, like I can show, this is my program.cs. So what is basically this, there here there is like the main program. So like basically like whatever we have linked all those, like, so this is the main program. The, like, if it is not there, then the program won't work. So this is what is like all about my code, what I did, as you have said, like what to explain. So this is what I have explained, is like my BMI calculator form, how my output goes, and like this is my program.cs. So this is what I want to show. So thank you so much, Professor.